In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in the Rich Text module in Hubspot, step by step. First, head over to Marketing, then go to Website and choose the site you want to work on. Next, choose the page you want to edit. I'll edit my homepage. Once you're inside the page editor, click on the plus icon. From here, expand the Text section and locate the Rich Text module. Choose where you want to add it on the page. Let's add a Rich Text module right here under this section. After that, you can type in your content and customize the styles as needed. To insert a table, go to the toolbar inside the Rich Text editor, click on the Insert or plus icon, then search for Table and add it. If you already have existing rich text, you can simply click inside it, open the Insert menu, and add things like tables, special characters, anchors, or embeds. Once you're done adding your content, click Save, and then publish your page. That's it for this quick tutorial. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tips. See you in the next one.